Kua hau te rongo mo te kai waiata nei a Hāmeora Tuari I Dubai ia e mahi whakangāhau ana kātahi ka hoki mai ki te wā kāinga ai te tau kua hipa I whai wāhi atu ia ki te hopunga kōpai Māori rongonui ko te kākano te ingoa. Engari, e hara I te mea I mutu ngā mahi I reira. No ngā marama tata nei whai wāhi hoki ai ia ki te rārangi kai waiata I whakatairanga ana I ngā mahi kapa haka koia ko te waiata ko te matatini ki te ao. Hei tā ngā rangahau te karere ko te pai tawhiti kia toka tū tōna tū hei kai waiata rongonui ki te wā kāinga nei I Aotearoa.
Hei te pane o ngā whakaro, ko e whakawairangi ne ahau, ta huri mai kia tata e hine.
Kia ora, ko Hāmeora Tuari tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no te tai rāwhiti whānui.
E hara I te mate kone he haia, he hara umauke.
My contract from over in Dubai had finished, so I decided to come up here, just trying to pursue a career in music at the moment. We're working as a band in a hotel over there for a whole year. So what we did was we put performances on in restaurants and also other events that were happening around Dubai. We did a haka set as well, also just to there's an appetite for Māori culture over there. They love the haka, and so yeah, we just did that, and we're working as a band for a whole year. If you're in a party scene and you see this girl from across the room, but you're too shy to approach her, but you know you're used to it looking at each other kind of way, yeah. So that's pretty much what the song's about then. Yeah. Well, at that time, I guess, yeah, I had a girlfriend, not anymore though. But yeah, we used that as, me personally, I used that as an example. So my waiata was Taku Puiaki. It talks about my love for music. I was talking with the writer Hemi Kelly. He's put it in an aspect of as if I'm talking to a wahine and explaining every single detail from head to toe. So we've used that analogy and put it towards how much I love music. Long-term goal would probably have to be to become a fully established artist within New Zealand. And short-term is to probably find more pathways that can lead me towards that long-term goal. So finding more gigs, finding more, maybe recording an EP and just more small stuff that will lead up into establishing myself to that point.